Alright guys, so this next topic is called sectioning. Sectioning is when you can't cut out a chunk of the figure you have and draw what remains. So, let's say we have to draw a sectional front view and complete the end view of the figure below. Now, these lines, this dashed line with the arrows indicates with which parts I have to cut out and which parts I'm gonna save. So the line is going through here, so it means it's going through the center, so it means we're gonna cut half of this part out. How do I know it's this part that I'm gonna cut out and not this part? Because the arrows are indicating towards the left, and depending on where the arrows are indicating, that's the part that I'm gonna save. So these arrows, as shown on this figure, are on the plan. The arrows are indicating towards this side, so it means that this side is the side I'm gonna save. Now, I don't necessarily draw both the front view and end view in sectional views, just the view in which I'm told to draw the section of. So, here we have draw a sectioned front view and a complete end view. So it means the sectioned view I'm just gonna draw as the front view, and the end view I'm gonna draw it as per normal. Now, whenever I have to draw a sectioned view, it's always done in orthographic projection. So I have to draw a sectioned front view and a complete end view. So the results would be like this. Now this is the half. Now you might tell me, but why do I have 45-degree lines? The reason I have 45-degree lines is to indicate that it is sectioned. Because if I did not have the 45-degree lines, you might not notice that it is a sectioned drawing. So that is the reason why I draw the 45-degree lines that are spaced 5 millimeters apart. That's a rule. 5 millimeters apart, and they have to be 45-degree lines. So a sectioned view means a view which has part of it cut off, depending on where the line is and the arrows indicating the parts to be saved and cut off. And we have to add the 45-degree lines that are 5 millimeters apart. Now you might tell me, but miss, this part of the line does not have 45-degree lines. Why? Because that part is remaining solid. Look, this part is this part, and this part is not getting sectioned off, it's not being cut off from anything, it is remaining whole. So that's why I do not use the 45-degree line. I only use the 45-degree line when you have to imagine you're literally sawing off a part of the figure. So, if let's say, now look, this part, for example, the arrows are indicating to the right. So the right would be the part that is being saved. Now, let's say, for example, I have a sectioned view like this, right? So, the bottom part is what is being saved, because the arrows are indicating downwards. So